Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica J, and we are here at none other than, can you guys see it? Homegoods. Yes, I am here to look for a mirror, a pillow, what else? I need some like vessels to put some greenery in, and whatever fun stuff they have here, I'm all here for it. All right guys, got to be safe first, and don't forget hand sanitizer. By the way, you guys like my shirt? Two-pot. These are cool. One's $40. This is like the whole vibe of my house. Black, white, gold, or brass. This one's $50. This one's on clearance. It's super cute. For my daughter's room, maybe. And they actually have mirrors today. Finally. This one's only $79. $150. Yeah, if you guys need a big mirror, this one right here is huge and such a good price. These are interesting. $200. And our outdoor use. This will be super cute outside. The bar cart. What do you guys think about these? I kind of like that. Not really sure if it goes with my house. It's a bigger version. Got bar stools. $59. And they have them in white and a lighter wood color. Outdoor pillow section. I think I might get these. This is interesting. $500. It's huge. How cute is this little kid set? Oh my goodness. Might have to get these. You also have it in gray. They still have this. You have a bunch of baskets. Alright guys, so we're back home. So I didn't really pick up a lot of items, but of course I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. So first things first on my list is some outdoor pillows. I picked up this pillow and I got 2 of them. So the furniture I have right now, it's like a creamy white color and then teak wood. So I kind of want some black accents accessories out there. So I picked up 2 of these. I don't know how I feel about these. I don't think I really like them, but it looks like something I can just easily cut off with no problem, because I feel like the pillow looks better. Like, it just elevates the pillow, like when it doesn't have that, you know what I mean? Like, do you guys agree? Do you like this part, or does it look better without it? But I think I'm gonna cut it off. So yeah, this one was $16.99. It's an outdoor or an indoor pillow. I love it. So I need 2 more pillows. I might get a couple of black pillows for these to sit in front of. I don't know, we'll see. And of course I'm gonna do a patio makeover. Once that is ready, it's taking a long while, but I think we're getting closer. So I've been wanting some lanterns to put outside, but I don't know, I didn't really know what vibe I was going for. I definitely want to be kind of like vacation type vibes out there. So I didn't want to get anything too farmhousey or anything too not cute. But when I saw these, I'm like, yes. Okay, so it gets windy over here, so I just needed something that wasn't gonna blow over. These things are super sturdy, and even if it does blow over, I don't have to worry about glass shattering and breaking everywhere. So my plan is to spray paint this. This color is really not the color I'm going for. So I don't know if I'm gonna spray paint it black or maybe like a dark gray, kind of give it like a concrete look. I'm not really sure. So I got 2 of them. This is the large one. This one was $29.99, and it says compared to $50, which I believe it. This thing is huge. It's a very unique piece. I love unique pieces. It says that it's handcrafted in India. And this one, this is the smaller version. This one was $19.99 and compared to $35. So I showed you guys these candles in my home decor haul. I got them from Costco, but I think they're wax material, so I don't know if these can be put outside. I'm gonna test it out and see. Give me a whole vibe out there, y'all. And then I went to Target, which was close by. I needed a basket for my daughter's room. Her whole thing in her room is bohemian, very earthy, girly, and they had a ton of baskets at Homegoods, and I showed you guys the baskets, but none of the colors really matched her room. And then some of the baskets, they were like pokey and stuff, so I didn't want her to hurt herself on the baskets. So I went to Target with no intention of finding a basket, and I found this one. How cool is that? I usually don't look for baskets at Target because I feel like they're overpriced and you can find them cheaper at Homegoods. But this one was only $26, and the material, it's a soft, you guys can see, It's like a softer basket material, so like if she decides to put blankets in here, I don't know what we're gonna put in here yet. She just had an open space that needed something in there. So I was gonna go to a different HomeGoods, but guys, I made the mistake by not packing any food or getting a snack or having cold water. So I got hangry, my head was hurting. I'm like, it's time to go home. So I'm gonna go to HomeGoods in a couple of days. If I don't vlog my experience, I will do a home decor haul. I got some other pieces that came in recently, so I will show you guys those very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. If you enjoy these type of videos, if you enjoy my shop with me, HomeGoods, Targets, all that shebang, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You should be here.